What I have here is a step-down DC voltage converter for DeWalt, 18 volts to 12 volts. So if you have a hobby or something that you do where you need to step down the power from a DeWalt battery into 12 volts, this is the device you would need. So you obviously fit in your DeWalt battery there, and then that will convert it down to 12 volts, so you can use the actual DeWalt battery. A handy gadget to have if you do projects where you need power, 12 volt power. A 15 amp max on that, so it should be good enough for small projects. But a really good idea to have for doing projects.